Welcome to our aBlocks tutorial series. Today we're diving into the content timeline block, your secret weapon for creating stunning, interactive timelines in WordPress. Alright, let's get started. Once you're in, click the plus icon to add a new block. Now in the search bar type Content Timeline. You'll see the aBlocks Content Timeline block pop right up. Go ahead and click it to insert it onto your page. And just like that, it's added. You've now got the foundation of your timeline ready to customize. Now let's build it out. Click the plus icon again within the timeline block to add content. You can pick any block you need. Let's start with a heading block. Type your text here, like launches of our commercial service, and tweak the HTML tag if you want. H2 works great. Next, click the plus icon again to add more blocks for a nicely organized timeline. I'll grab a paragraph block to describe the heading. Let's spice it up with a button block. Click plus, add the button, and head to the settings panel. Change the text to something actionable. Say, learn more. And pick a button color that pops like blue. Over in the Advanced tab, set some margin, maybe 20 pixels, between the heading, paragraph, and button for breathing room. Now let's align everything. In the block settings, adjust the content position, left, center, or right. Then, set the timeline arrow alignment, top, center, or bottom. I'm picking center to keep it balanced. Switch to the Style section. Change the background color. Adjust the item gap to space out your timeline events. And set some padding between the timeline blocks. Next, let's customize the date area. Click to edit it and set a new icon. In the Date Style section, tweak the typography and pick a bold color. Moving on to the connector area, this is the line tying your timeline together. Set the icon size to something noticeable and adjust the icon background size. Pick a connector thickness. Gives it some weight. Over in the connector style area, choose a connector color. Want some flair? Enable the Show Animation option. Pick an animation color to draw attention. Finally, set the icon color to and the icon background for contrast. Once you're happy with it, hit the Save button to lock in all your changes. And there you go, a gorgeous, custom timeline ready to shine. Want to see it in action? Check out the preview below and start building your own today. And that's it, your aBlocks content timeline block is live and looking fantastic. You've just turned a simple page into a dynamic storytelling tool, all without breaking a sweat. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.